I will be doing this video a little different than normal because the item is very unique in size. So it's easier for me to do it this way. So hopefully my voice will carry because I'm going to have to move back and forth between the back of the video camera and the front. This is a hooded scarf. This one is knitted, as you can see. It has a little pucker on the back so you have room for your hair, plus a very long scarf. Now if you wanted a wider scarf, all you have to do is add more yarn to it. Now this one's the knitted version. I did it in both knitted and crochet. So you can wear it any way you like. You can wear it really up high or you can just let it hang if you want. It's entirely up to you. It's a very simple thing to make. It takes about one ball of yarn, about 200 yards to make it. And here's the same thing in a crocheted version. I added little scallops in the front because I don't like a plain front. I always like to have a little decoration. Same thing. The scarf is connected to the bottom of the hood and crochet and chains out to whatever length you want. That's entirely up to you. And then crochet back and forth, and that will form the scarf on the bottom half of the hat. So it's a real quick and easy thing to make, and I know a lot of people have enjoyed it. Now here's something that's a little bit different. This is actually a knitted cowl that's made in a circle. You can wear it 3 different ways. I made it this length on purpose because if I made it any longer, some of the other ways you can wear it would not work. Now this is if you wanted to wear it under a jacket. You put it over your neck, tuck this inside of your jacket, and then you have a nice decorative accent. If you wanted to make it double over your head, now you just have a nice, thick, cozy neck warmer to keep your neck warm, and then of course you have your jacket under it. But if your head starts getting cold, you just pull it up, and now your ears are kept comfortably warm, your shoulder and the front of your neck is comfortable, and unfortunately it doesn't cover the back of the neck. But that's just the way this particular one is designed. Now I'm going to also show you the actual patterns and put the patterns on my website, Stitch Niche, along with these 3 patterns. I hope you enjoy watching the rest of the video. Okay, I wanted to continue the video in my normal stance. This is the pattern for the knitted hooded scarf. As you can see, this one was done in, let's see, it's called Encore Color Spun, because it has all the different shading as you knit with it. The one I brought out to show is just the solid blue one. Now as you finish knitting the back, you will come along and cast on as many stitches as you need to make your scarf. Now you can make it extra long like I did, or you can make it short. Then once you finish that side and knit back, then you come over to this side and do the same thing. Cast on stitches on this side and knit back and forth in pattern. Now you can make it wider if you like. You can double it around your neck if you like. It's really versatile, and depending on the yarn you use. This one came out a little bit large, so you can always reduce the amount of stitches, like maybe 5 on each side. So that way it would be just a little bit smaller so it'll fit more comfortably around your head. That's entirely up to you if that's what you like to do. The other one I showed you was the crocheted hooded scarf. And that one is a little thicker and denser because a crochet stitch is wrapped around itself, so it makes a little post, as they call them. And same thing, you would crochet all the way across the bottom, catching all the stitches as you go, and then you would make a chain for whatever length you need and continue with your double crochet for as many rolls as you want. You can make it extra wide if you like, or you can just double or triple it around your neck, because this one is made very, very long, and you can wrap it 2 or 3 times around your neck just to get the extra warmth you might need. And the last thing I did was the lacy eyelet cowl. The reason I call it an eyelet cowl is because you can see it has the eyelets in it. This is called Bouffle, B-O-U-F-F-L-E. It's a really neat yarn with a lot of texture, and it fluffs up a lot because of the way the yarn is spun. So you can either make it with a lot of holes, or you can do every other holes. You don't have to make this many. I just like to make this one this way because it makes it extra light and fluffy, and you can make it wider if you like by adding more rolls to the center before you do your garter stitch edge. I just thought this would be a neat one to wear out maybe to dinner because it is such a really pretty color combination. It comes in lavender, red, black, gray, silver, green, and I forgot the other colors, but it's really, really a nice fabric that you can use to, or should I say yarn that you can use to knit this together. I'm going to have these available on my website, stitchniche.com, with a hyperlink to the actual pattern. So when you look in the information or about the YouTube video, the last few sentences will be the link. And click on that link and it'll take you straight to the pattern if you like to purchase it. I hope you enjoy watching my videos. Like I said, these are going to be on my website, stitchniche.com. This is the way I spell it, with a C-H-E, not S-T-I-T-C-H-N-I-T-C-H. If you like what I've done in my video, please subscribe to it so you can see the next ones as they come. Hit notification if you want to be notified when the next one comes out. And definitely share it with your friends. The more the merrier. Thank you for watching.